Funny, man hired a bulldozer to demolish cheating girlfriend's house. Breaking news published about the incident whereby a man demolished his girlfriend's house after things did not go well between them, and according to several people on social media, photos of the man and the girlfriend have been shared. Love is a beautiful feeling when it is driven by moral intentions. Love shouldn't be for self-gain, but for both partners to create an exuberant atmosphere full of happiness. In nowadays we see people falling in for wrong reasons, and then the purpose will be diverted in the wrong direction. We hear people blaming love. Love has done anything wrong, it's people who fail to approach it correctly. The video that is all over social media has taken the internet by storm as people are talking. The couple from Mpumalanga province has shaken the country after the impact of their love breakup. No one thought that a break could lead to this mascara collapsing the whole double-story mansion into the ground. The boyfriend has explained to a video circulating in social media that he bought a stand for his girlfriend. The stand was under the name of the girlfriend. Then he built this big double-story house for his girlfriend until this house project is fully completed. After completing this house, the girlfriend told him that he doesn't need it anymore. It is over, this man explaining in the video. The reason this man decided to call the excavator to destroy this house instead of selling it is that the land where this house is specifically built legally belongs to his girlfriend. He has no power to chase away this woman because she is the rightful owner of this land. He lost the first step of land ownership, then he lost everything. After he was dumped, he was too emotional and decided to take this house down regardless of thinking about the finances he spent building the house. People had different views on this matter. Some thought this boyfriend did very well because this woman came with the wrong intention to benefit selfishly. Some individual believe that the boyfriend was a little bit harsh, but what your point of view?
Yeah.